basically is a USB discharger made from two old light bulbs connected in parallel, and both of them pull about 700 milliamps. This one is USB charger doctor. It measures voltage, and when you plug the discharger, it shows the amperage, 820 milliamps. This copper wire is just protecting from burning your fingers from heat that produce these light bulbs.
Hello Hacktours! On eBay I found these cheap USB rechargeable batteries that you can power up anywhere and no charger needed. So I ordered and they cost about $6. So here they are, USB rechargeable batteries, made in China of course, and wait 1 month to receive it. As you can see, you will get 2 pieces 1.2 volts USB rechargeable batteries with 450 mAh of power and 500 rechargeable cycles. Behind the package there is specification on how to use the batteries and how long it needs to be recharged when they are plugged into any USB power outlet. First, I'm gonna measure how much they weigh, because if they are super light, probably are bad batteries. Each of them weighed 15 grams, both of them 30 grams, and just to compare, full Duracell battery weighed 25 grams. When you plug the battery to USB port, red LED light will turn on, that means charging. When the light switches to blue, the battery is fully charged. Next test is to see how much current they pull out when they charge, and we're gonna use this USB doctor gadget that shows voltage, time, capacity and live current meter. The USB doctor shows that they are pulling around 150 mA, which is decent current for charging. Next test is to measure fully charged batteries. As you can see, both of them have around 1.3 volts. My final thoughts about these USB rechargeable batteries: besides they are super cheap, they are very practical because of one reason, and that's it, you can charge it anywhere on any USB power outlet. I hope you liked this video, please share and like.
I'm gonna need USB male connector, that is easy. The flash drive chip I pull out from old pen drive, key switch I purchased from eBay, and LEDs will show when it's locked, when it's unlocked. I have soldered some wires and two LEDs. The red LED is directly connected to the negative and positive terminal and will turn on when the USB connector is plugged. The blue LED will show when the key is turned on. I soldered the wires from USB connector to the flash drive, except the positive wire. This wire will go to the switch and from here to the flash drive. I am using this plastic case for our key USB flash drive gadget. To make even secured, I will fill up everything with hot glue. Now we're gonna see, does it work? Maybe it's not best looking gadget, but it's working. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and visit my channel page for more videos. We're gonna need 5 switches. These are micro switches. 5 of them. Next, we're gonna need USB flash drive. 16 gigabytes flash drive. Okay? Next, we're gonna need one LED. Here it is. Also, we're gonna need USB cable. Here it is. Cap. We have all the parts for making the security flash drive. We're gonna need to open this flash drive and we're gonna solder some wires to this small piece. Let me explain you how this works. This USB male connector with wires will be soldered to the flash drive. All the wires will be soldered to the flash drive, except the red one. The red one is the positive. The positive wire will be soldered to the switches, and when you hit the right combination, the power from USB male connector will be transferred to the flash drive, and all this will work. If you don't know the right combination, the power will not be transferred and will not power the flash drive. This LED will turn on when the right combination is entered.
All this stuff placed in this cap. Here it is, USB flash drive with combination lock. Let's try it. Nothing happens. But when you enter the right combination, voila! It's working!